Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about Wix.com, exploring the visibility of Wix.com, crafting digital destinies. Welcome to today's video. We will embark on a journey into the world of website creation and digital innovation with a spotlight on Wix.com. This manufactured platform has been reshaping the landscape of web development, empowering users to bring their online vision to life. Join us as we delve into the myriad features to design possibilities and user-friendly tool that make Wix.com a go-to destination for individual entrepreneurs and business seeking to establish a captivating online presence. Creating stunning website with ease at the heart of Wix.com lies its ability to transform complex coding processing into a user-friendly experience. Whether you are a seasoned designer or completely beginner, Wix integrates a drag and drop interface grant you the power to craft stunning website without the need for technical expertise. Customize beyond boundaries. Wix.com embraces the concept of creative freedom. It extends elaborate template created to the diverse array of industries, while the Wix editor robust customization option ensure that your website reflects your unique brand identity. E-commerce empowerment for those looking to venture into online sales. Wix.com e-commerce capabilities shine brightly, seamlessly integrating product listing, secure payment gateway, and inventory management. It provides a comprehensive solution for building and managing an online store. App Market for enhanced functionality. The Wix App Market is a treasure of additional web features that can enhance your website functionally, from live chat page to booking system and marketing tool. These apps allow you to tailor your site to your specific needs. Responsive and mobile ready design in an age where mobile browsing is ubiquitous. Wix.com commitment to response design is evident. Your creation will look stunning on all devices, ensuring a seamless user experience for visitors across platforms. SEO and visibility. A powerful website is only effective if it's discoverable. Wix.com equips users with essential SEO tools and guides helping you optimize your site visibility on search engine and driving organic traffic. Blogging and content creation. Wix.com is not just for static website, it is a dynamic platform for content creator as well. Its built-in blogging tools enable you to share your thoughts, insight, and story with a global audience. Robust support and resources. Navigating website creation can be a breeze with website. Wix.com extensive support resources from step-by-step guide to video tutorial and a dedicated support team. You will never feel alone on your digital journey. Global community and collaboration. Wix.com fosters a thriving community where users can seek advice, share their creations, and collaborate on projects. This sense of belonging enhance the overall experience and encourage creative exchange. Expanding beyond traditional website, Wix.com offers tools for building online stores, portfolios, blogs, and even events pages. This versatility accommodates a wide range of Wix.com where the user can friendly specify their order multiple capabilities in an insignificantly globally world. Wix.com manipulate feature enable you to suspense an increasing globalized world. Wix.com manipulates enable you to reach the audience around the world by providing content in multiple languages. Constant innovation and adaptation. As technology evolves, so does Wix.com. The platform continuously introduces new features and updates to ensure that users stay in the upfront of digital trends. Community engagement and inspiration. Wix.com regularly spotlight the exceptional website creation created by its users, providing inspiration, showing case incredible potential of its platform feature of digital creativity in our In our concluding thought, I hope you like the video. Hit the subscribe button